Hi, and welcome to Python of the Snake. Today we want just quickly look at functions. Normally we don't know functions like print, or this one a function. We take to do some kind of job for inside Python. Still get other ones wey be say we don't use for our formal lessons. We don't use learn, we don't use input, you know, to collect something from people, to collect information. So this today now we won't see how we take create our own function because all those ones are inbuilt functions. So let me say all those ones we dey use now, the one we don't build inside Python, we say Python don't get before. But if we use, Python still create our own function with this simple this way they call def. It means say you want define your function. Waiting your function will do. For example, the one we they build this side, we get the one with the print, the one we could tell us the length of how many things they like that, the way we did use them before. So today go check wetin we fit do with this def. We wan create function. So make we just first name our function. Say the name of the function na greet. Need to put this double mark wey be column. Then we wan tell am wetin we wan do. Normally we go give indents like this. We go give space make you know say okay, this thing we wan write here, e dey under this def. So we wan define function. The name of the function na greet, and wetin the function go do say e go greet people. We dey use this function based on say we wan dey repeat am. So anytime we call the function, instead of to dey copy and paste, we could just quickly do wetin we wan do. So maybe we wan print say okay, make you first greet person how far. For example, wan say make you print how far. Say okay, because we sabi greet well well, we wan say how far. Wan say greet am say how family, maybe how work. As we take dey greet for Nigeria normally. So anytime we wan greet, na to just call the function wey be greet. And when we call this function, make I just quickly copy this thing so that the greeting go plenty well well. Copy and paste am like that. So how far, fit just ask say how family, how work, how papa, how mama, all those kind of things. How you dey? How far, how family, how work, how you dey now? So now this thing we wan take greet the person. And as we don greet am finish like this now, we wan see say anytime we call this greet, this greet for this greet function, we don create am, we don dey inside again. You see this f, you don read am as function. So if you call this greet anytime, and we use this double bracket, just the same way we say we use am for the inbuilt functions. If we run this thing like this now, it will just quickly give us all these questions. So if you look and say, okay, wetin be the use? If you wan greet another person, for example, if you use this greet again, say you run am, it will give you 2 times. Instead of to dey copy and paste, everything don dey inside this greet function. If you just come here now, you say greet again for inside this console, it will still give you the same thing.